Okay, and here's our ingredients. Changing cabbage, sliced carrots, fresh shiitake mushrooms, shallots, and for the crunch, this is a hikama or sinkamas, and I like ginger on my spring roll, and of course our wrapper, and some liquid seasoning to taste. We're using light soy sauce in this recipe, and some salt and pepper. Okay, let's get started. We saute our onion and ginger, then mushroom and carrots. Then we add some light ketchup. That one. Okay. Salt and pepper to taste. Liquid seasoning. This is sesame oil, but it's optional. I forgot to mention. A quick stir, then done. Before wrapping, we need to drain the liquid. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. It's Erin G. See you next time.